Guys, I am literally praying that my iPad does not get wet. Oh wait, that caused me bad luck. Oh my god. We're going outside. So let's win. Okay, get her. Okay, we got our umbrella. This video will be probably one minute long. So if you're expecting anything else long, well, don't worry. You're here for nothing. Okay. That almost scared me. I don't know if it's my mom. Jeez, it's cold out here. The recent videos I made, it was cold outside. Ew, I stepped on mud. Guys, this is actually disgusting. I'm not even joking. Holy. Heck, I can't swear. I'm not in the mood to swear right now. Actually, yes. Oh, good. My iPad's wet. Oh my god, I hate it here. I want to go back home. Oh wait, I am home. Okay, guys. I'm gonna have to go back inside because this is just terrible. Okay, let's try to walk without having to go back in. Okay, so we're at the first steps. Near. Ew. Oh my gosh. I can feel the rain steps. If you guys know where I live or anything, which is deeply concerning for the fact that I live in America. Oh my god, it's beautiful. It's not really beautiful that it's raining, but it's just like beautiful. The sky is beautiful, at least. Ew, I just found some dog poop because I own a dog. Probably seen her in one of my brother's videos. I'm speeding up because I don't want to be out here for any longer. Like, at all. I'm going to see Granny out the window. Okay, I'm going to have to stop the video. Bye, guys.